I'm Dr. K. Venkat Subramanian, faculty with MAS Stratford. I've been working in the corporate. I have over 38 years experience in companies like Enfield, Honda, Twiga, Simba, FRP. And then I've been with MAS Stratford for almost 10 years now. I've been teaching a lot of subjects here, including operations management, project management, and I also take the capstone course for the MBA final year students, which is the last level course which they do with me. Let me first give you a comparison of the Indian university system and the American system that's being followed in MAS Stratford. See, the Indian universities, the batch strength normally is around 60 students. 60 students and one faculty, the kind of interaction that takes place will be very minimum. Whereas in the American system, it's around 15 to 20, which means I know every student by name and also their background, their weaknesses, strengths, and I know their knowledge level, so I can definitely deal with them much better than any other place. So that's one of the great advantages. The academic freedom that we have in MAS Stratford is also very good. Even though there is a syllabus guidelines, we have the freedom to deviate to whatever extent we think is right from that itself to make the student understand the things much better. This is one of the main considerations in a US system where the faculty is doing everything under his influence to teach the students how it can be done. Thirdly, the lecture in Indian university system is around 1.5 hours maximum, right? In 1.5 hours, it's really difficult for anybody to take a case study. Whereas here we have a 4-hour workshop in which case studies can be discussed and a lot of interaction can take place between the faculty and the students. That's one of the main considerations of the American system. That's why we are able to interact with the students much better, understand them much better, and we can really make them a total personality rather than just an academic person. And we also give them a lot of corporate exposures. They meet corporate people, they go out, meet some customers sometimes, and come back to us. All this, the Indian students, the Indian universities may not have this kind of an exposure. We also have a continuous grading system in the American system, where the faculty grades the student continuously throughout the course by way of assignments, case studies, class participation, and all the 100% marks are awarded by the faculty. Some Indian business schools following the Indian university system also has this thing, but then it's limited to about 30 marks, which is called the internal marks. Here what happened? The 100 marks is with the faculty, and the faculty has to pass the student or fail the student. Then the student is able to understand the requirement of the syllabus and the faculty, and they are able to interact much better. So there's a much better interaction with the student and the faculty in the American system. These are some of the advantages we have. In MAS Stratford, we actually work for the total development of the student's personality, not just teaching them something. And also there's one more important thing. There is something called andragogy. Normally people say pedagogy, whereas andragogy is basically an adult learning. Adult learning is best possible when he is able to understand the meaning and then understand it by himself or by doing it. Because adult learning is very different from the normal pedagogy that other people follow. In andragogy, it's more of a practical experience we try to give, like case studies, actual experiments, simulation exercises in the class, which actually makes the adults learn. Adults will learn only when they are interested. By simply teaching, you can't make an adult learn anything. So we have to make them interested in the subject so that they learn about it. That's one of the important things in adult learning, which is mainly on the international system like the USA system. And many other countries have also now started following it. Some of the Indian business schools have also now started looking at this system, whether it can be extended to Indian education. So overall, we need to look at the student, see what are the analytical skills that he has got, what managerial skills are the gaps on the managerial skills, and actually give them the inputs to fill up that gap so that they are ready for the corporate world.